Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and I am never painting again unless I have some of this pre-taped plastic by Jade Chen. This is my first time using pre-taped plastic. Normally, I tape things off, no plastic involved, but when you're spraying a ceiling, paint goes everywhere. The amount that is on a single roll is incredible. We do have a large basement, but we had more than enough. We actually had 2 rolls that we didn't even open, and then a roll that was barely used. And I was really impressed with the stickiness of it and how secure it held this plastic. We were taping a lot of really difficult to work with materials like a metal beam and very rough, unfinished wood. We didn't have any issues with the plastic ripping or tearing. Even walking on it, it still stayed taped to the wall, but came up easily when we were done painting. It was really convenient to use, and I'm definitely keeping this around for my next project. And that's my point of view.